Hi, my name is Tilde, and I was one of the 2 managers managing this product. The team was divided into 2 departments. We had design and programming, and each department had a lead who would delegate the tasks and set the different restrictions and internally manage the department. The project was divided into different stages. We had the alpha stage, the beta stage, and the academic stage, each with several sprints to make the project more manageable and to give each department a clear list of goals for each sprint. The alpha stage was where we focused on the base controls, models, and base functionalities, and the beta phase was purely focused on fine-tuning both visuals and functionalities. Finally, the academic stage was used as a way of documenting the work progress, different stages of the project, as well as different programs, methods, and theories used to achieve the final product.
My name is Andreas. I was the lead designer of the entire experience. My primary work was to work with the structure of the entire design department. We limited ourselves to a certain amount of geometric complexity, depending on the visibility and importance of the different objects. These more complex objects were placed in what we call the player's golden path, which is the concept of a hierarchy wherein the most complex objects and models will be more attenuated in the player's path. So where the player walks is where the more complex and detailed objects are. And the objects not in the direct path of the player will be much less complex. Also, the reason why we had much less complex models was to reach the optimal frame rate for playing it in virtual reality, since we also needed to port it to virtual reality. So we had to reach a frame rate of around 90 frames per second in order for it to be a playable experience. I was also a lighting designer on the entire experience, where I primarily stood for lighting the environment and creating a sense of mood in it. I played around with some different kinds of lighting, where we started out with a scene with a dawn setting, where we had the sun set fairly low and the colors were more orange to it. But that quite didn't hit the mood that we were going for. So we went with a night setting, where the setting was also lit by torches and braziers, in order to give a sense of mystery and discomfort to the player. And the braziers and the torches were also there to help guide the player throughout the level.
My name is Erwin Hammerlich, and I'm the lead programmer for the TIDA experience. As the lead programmer, I was tasked to manage and assist the programming team whenever needed. The entire experience was made using the Unreal Engine 4, contrary to past projects where we used Unity, making this a new experience for us. Unreal 4 offered some new difficulties to us, such as learning the blueprint system. This system is C++ programming visualized through the editor. Using these blueprints, we were able to quickly make prototypes to iteratively shape our project to the wishes of the designers. For the panorama screen, we needed to utilize all 5 screens. Therefore, we had a 150-degree field of view. For the movement there, we used the WASD keys to match a traditional setup. Contrary to the VR, we needed to find a way of movement. With the VR, we had 3 movements that we can choose from. The 3 movements are locomotion, which allowed the user to move using physical movement. The stick controls, where they needed to use a thumbstick either on a controller. And the teleportation tool that allowed the player to teleport to a desired location. We used a usability test that was quick and dirty to decide which type of movement we needed